What might you be looking at as a realistic expectation for maintenance cost on a Toyota hybrid vehicle after, let's say, 150,000 miles? Let's break it down. So what really happens to Toyota hybrids after 10 years or after 150,000 miles? Now, if you're in Canada, you can convert that to kilometers, but you get the idea. Does the hybrid high voltage battery fail? Do repair bills explode, or is everything you've ever heard actually completely wrong? Now, hybrid vehicles, but specifically Toyota hybrids, are often praised for the most fuel-efficient, reliable vehicles on the road, but there's always that one big question: what about the hybrid battery? It is the most expensive component in a Toyota hybrid vehicle, and for many years, people have assumed that it's literally a ticking time bomb. So instead of guessing, I looked at what actually happens after a full decade of ownership and after over 150,000 miles on the road. This isn't hype, it's just real numbers based off data and statistics. Now, what about the hybrid high voltage battery's ability to hold, receive, and take a charge? And I'm talking about the phrase of degradation, the actual ability of the battery to keep going back and forth and getting to that capacity where it's being efficient for the Toyota hybrid. Yes, there is some degradation after a certain number of years, like 10 years or 150,000 miles. Convert that to kilometers, but it's not catastrophic. Now, how do you know if you're having some degradation in your hybrid high voltage battery? Well, you'll notice a drop in your steady fuel efficiency or fuel economy. So for example, if you were used to, for the past 10 years, consistently getting around 7 to 9 liters per 100 kilometers combining city and highway, and now you're moved up from a steady 7 to 9 up to like a 10 to a 12 liters per 100 kilometers, well, then that probably does mean that you do have some slight degradation, but the actual hybrid performance is still stable and it's still working the way it should. Here's the key takeaway, and that is that Toyota hybrid batteries are actually designed to last far longer than most people expect. Many owners reporting going well over 200,000 miles or 300,000 to 400,000 kilometers before ever needing to address or replace the hybrid high voltage battery. If you're one of those long-time Toyota hybrid drivers that needs to replace their hybrid high voltage battery, the costs can vary depending on where you're from, where you're located, and exactly what type of hybrid vehicle you have. For example, plug-in hybrid battery replacements are actually usually more expensive or higher priced than doing just a regular hybrid battery, and that is because they have a different high voltage battery, usually a larger high voltage battery, which comes with a larger price tag. But talking about just a regular hybrid HEV, you can get something refurbished for usually anywhere around $1,000 to maybe $3,000, depending on if you can find one or where you're from and where you're located. But the most recommended would be a brand new battery from your Toyota dealer, which usually ranges anywhere from $3,000 to $5,000 on most common and late model Toyota hybrid vehicles. That's right, I said $3,000 to around $5,000, not $15,000 to $25,000 like the price of the vehicle itself, which unfortunately is the misconception and the theory out there on the internet is that the actual hybrid high voltage battery costs as much as the vehicle. That's not the case. Okay, let's get into the numbers that really matter, and that's the overall expectation on maintenance on a Toyota hybrid vehicle after 10 years or after 150,000 miles. Now, for routine maintenance over the 10-year lifespan of that vehicle, bank for anywhere around $3,000 to $5,000 total, and that combines things like oil changes, tire rotations, and filter changes. This is your regular checkup maintenance that you want to do at your Toyota dealer. Number two would have to be where the Toyota hybrids shine the best, and that is the brake system. In Toyota hybrids, thanks to regenerative braking, brake pads last significantly longer when compared to a non-hybrid Toyota vehicle because there's less wear on the rotors. Many Toyota hybrid owners report that they only replace the brakes once or sometimes not even at all within 150,000 miles. That is incredibly impressive. Now, in terms of the brake replacement or wear and tear cost, you can expect to save yourself anywhere around $1,000 or more by not having to do the brakes so early or even at all within 150,000 miles compared to something like a gasoline combustion only vehicle. Number 3, what about the transmission wear or the engine wear on a Toyota hybrid? Most of our Toyota hybrid vehicles use what's called an eCVT transmission. And what does that mean for you? Way less moving parts. There's no traditional gears. There's way less friction, which ultimately means a super low failure rate. So compared to what we have in our Toyota non-hybrid vehicles or most non-hybrid vehicles on the market, which usually have a CVT or some other fully mechanical transmission, this means fewer or less costly repairs over time, for example, over 10 years or north of 150,000 miles. So also put that money in the bank next to the money that you're going to save on your brake maintenance. Now, here's where things can vary depending on how you drive and where you're driving, and that's got to do with unexpected repairs. This is where you can possibly, estimate to spend anywhere from around $1,500 to all the way up to $3,000 over the life of 10 years or north of 150,000 miles on most Toyota hybrid vehicles. You may need to repair things like water pumps, wheel bearings, suspension components. So make sure you bank for a similar cost to what I just mentioned on any kind of unexpected repairs. But really, what's the overall total summary in terms of maintenance, in terms of unexpected repairs over the course of 10 years on your Toyota hybrid vehicle? Well, if you talk about just routine maintenance, you're going to expect to spend anywhere from $3,000 to $5,000. In terms of unexpected repairs, like I mentioned, water pumps, wheel bearings, suspension components, I would bank anywhere from around $1,500 to $3,000. And in terms of the hybrid high voltage battery, if it ever needs to be replaced, which is extremely uncommon, and if you didn't already know, Toyota actually gives you a fantastic warranty up to 10 years on your electric components or your hybrid high voltage battery on pretty much every late model Toyota vehicle. But if you ever had to replace it and it was out of pocket, I would bank for right around $5,000 plus the labor, etc. Now that will vary depending on where you're from and where you're located. So what does that give you for a total range in terms of unexpected repairs, maintenance, and maybe that hybrid high voltage battery? Well, if you don't need to do anything to the hybrid high voltage battery, you can expect to spend anywhere from a total of around $5,000 to $8,000 on your Toyota hybrid vehicle. If you do have to do the hybrid high voltage battery, which is very incredible small percentage based on statistics and what we see for very high mileage Toyota hybrids coming into the shop, and based on overall statistics, you can expect to spend anywhere from around $8,000 to $13,000. But this includes having to actually replace the hybrid high voltage battery, which is incredibly unlikely. Now, spread these two averages over a decade of time, and that's actually very reasonable when you're talking about the overall cost on maintenance and wear and tear on a Toyota hybrid vehicle. Combine that with a fantastic fuel savings, reliability, and resale value, it's hard not to go with a Toyota hybrid. And that is why long-term Toyota hybrid owners are consistently reporting high reliability, minimal unexpected failures, and lower than expected maintenance costs when compared to something like a non-hybrid Toyota vehicle. Well, everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video topic and review, and you had a little bit more of an understanding or a better expectation of what you could expect on a regular day-to-day Toyota hybrid vehicle that you're using for regular commutes, city driving, stop and go traffic, different climates, etc. All different things will vary and have a different effect on your unexpected repairs, on your wear and tear items. Maybe you'll have to do your maintenance a little bit more frequently because you're driving a lot or doing a lot of miles or kilometers on your day-to-day drives. Keep all this in mind, and I hope you enjoyed this video topic and review. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.